At sa ating mga kababayan from abroad, thank you for watching sa ating live stream atid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. The opening tip, now controlled by Boholano and J Project. So if you're a J Project, what has been the key here para ma-maintain yung napakagandang campaign here in this Visayas Cup?
Well, unang-una, hindi dapat sila mag-relax dito, partner. I know they are full of star players here, pero yung effort na pinapakita netong Phenom nung last game nila, nakabalik pa sila dito, coming off a 20-point lead.
Oh, that was an epic comeback for Phenom Parola Panaon. Able to force an upset, trying to go on a bounce pass off the back door from Chog Moral with 11 seconds on the shot clock.
Yeah, a clear objective dito para sa Phenom is to prevent any good actions happening para dito kay Chog Moral kasi siya yung nagdadala ng team na to eh. He's that spark, creating highlights for his teammates na makakapagpataas ng confidence na itong mga teammates niya.
And there goes Guevara. That's Gil Guevara with the first three-pointer here in the finals.
Oo, si Guevara talaga yung isa sa mga main factors sa offense nila. Good decision by Chog Moral on finding him on that right wing.
So, Phenom Parola Panaon wants to have a Cinderella run here in the finals. Mundas, that ball was knocked away. Pakulba, scoop shot for two.
Oo, yun yung mga kailangan nilang mas matutunan pa on how to limit lahat ng offensive sets para dito sa J Project.
Back comes Ryzen Boholano. Now on the left elbow. Fires. That's a tough shot. Offensive rebound. And gets the basket to drop for Ren Isdiescas. So one of the players from Central Luzon, from Pampanga.
Oo.
Ball knocked free. And Guevara picks it up para dito sa J Project Boomers. A star-studded lineup for Coach Phil Jimena. Chog Moral. Emergency pass. Babalik ang Ryzen Boholano. And gets the roll.
Smart play by Chog Moral, not forcing anything on that issue. Finding itong si Boholano for the floater.
So itong J Project Boomers, good as advertised to start the finals, Coach Air.
Totoo, pero sa Phenom, medyo nagkakaroon sila ng mental breakdown dito sa press break nila. Masyado silang excited to leak out, kaya walang nakakakuha ng bola doon.
Because of the excellent defense na pinakita ng J Project Boomers throughout this tournament. Kaya they want to showcase what they got here in the 19 under.
Good find.
Oh, that's an open lane. And that's an easy two. Mamula dito kang Reynan Abalye.
Yeah, so great defense shown by both teams. Talagang good decision din by the officials on not calling those yung mga physicality.
There's Chog Moral with the first touch from the perimeter as he misses the three-pointer. And back comes Phenom Parola Panaon. Bibigay sa kanto. That's an open look from the left corner. That's a three-pointer for Janrel Pakulba.
Good spread offense para sa Phenom.
And that's a good thing they did is to spread the floor, leading to those open shots from Pakulba.
Oo, and the tendency kasi netong J Project, they love to do a man-to-man defense, kaya malilibre talaga pag drive as Chog Moral gets another opportunity.
Oh, no look pass there to Ryzen Boholano. That shot was blocked. But good recovery for Edwin Mundas. Shot clock down to 10.
Every time makakahawak ng bola si Chog, nagtitilian agad eh.
Oh, nagkahiyawan ng mga crowd dito. Moral off the crossover. Off the hot step. And that's a good rejection. Hold on. Di ko talaga marinig yung Tito, Coach Air. That's a foul against Phenom Parola.
Ako din actually. So this is a good position for Chog Moral to have this early. Kakaroon siya ng opportunity to take two shots. Pag nakuha niyan, yung kumpiyansa niyan mag-build up.
So two free throws coming up for Kenji Moral. And here's a courtside report from the J Project Boomers from Lindsay Denison.
Thank you so much, gentlemen. With a team composed of all Palarong Pambansa standouts such as Chog Moral from Central Luzon, Edvil Mundas from Davao Region, and of course the recent 2026 Palarong Pambansa MVP Direk Duterte from Calabarzon Region, handang-handa itong J Project Boomers for this championship game. And as per their head coach, Coach Phil Jimena, may experience na din naman talaga yung mga players. So it's really not that hard for him. Sabi niya din na his only role right now is to guide the team and and start strong in hopes of getting this championship title. Also, as we are seeing here on the floor, Direct Duterte will not be able to play because of a recent stomach ache he felt early this morning. He is sad to not be able to play with the team, pero he wishes the best for his teammates. Yun na muna from the side of J Project. Balik ko muna sa iyo.
Alright, maraming salamat Lindsay Denison. So Derek Duterte is not available tonight. So we wish him all the best. So sayang lang di natin nakita yung showcase. What a pass! What a highlight of the first quarter, coach,
With
from
effort.
Kenji Moral.
By Phenom on collapsing on that good pass by Chog Moral. Pero yeah, nagabi pa namin alam na si Derek won't be able to play dahil sa nakain niya. I hope it's not food poisoning pero masakit talaga yung tiyan ng bata. And syempre dun sa report ni Lindsay, wag din natin tanggalin and i-acknowledge din natin ito si Reinhardt Panaligan tsaka si Ali Mamawag na part ng palarong pambansa champions.
And there goes Kenji Moral. One guy to beat. Oh, he misses the gimme. He was trying to switch to the left hand. And we go the other way for Phenom Parola. And a quick swipe for Edwin Moldas, racing down the court. Coast to coast for the easy finish.
And like what I was saying, partner, ito talaga yung makakapag-create ng magandang confidence tsaka consistency para dito sa J Project pag nakukuha nila yung mga easy shots na yun sa transition. So kailangan
that's a
protektahan
2-on-1.
nila.
Chog Moral, what a dish to Guevara.
Timeout.
A promising start for Coach Phil Jimena and the rest of the J Project Boomers. We're now at the 5:21 mark of this first quarter. Here it is on this beautiful transition. Kenji Moral, beautiful dish to Guevara for the deuce. And there's Coach Jess Evangelio, one of the legendary coaches sa Team Davao Region. And of course, Coach Anthony Brodet now watching at the sidelines as well, Coach Air. So they're gonna lead the way for Team Phenom basketball sa 23 under mamaya, Coach Air.
They're expecting to win this all. No, pero para dito, mahirap at mabigat yung harang sa kanila dito, yung J Project na puro standouts nga ng palarong pambansa.
And that's a bad pass. And back comes Phenom Parola. Oh, that's a good save there. Mongkal misses. Gets it right back though. Oh, nice spin for the easy two. Great footwork for John Maningo.
Good job on talagang forcing some turnovers and medyo nagkakaroon ng lapses dito si Chog Moral kasi hindi siya nakaka-connect sa mga big man niya.
Moral looks to make a response. Fires from three. Yes, sir! First three-pointer for Kenji Moral.
Bawi agad para kay Chog Moral using that horn screen. Nakita niya naka-under yung depensa doon.
So he wants to send a message that he wants to play for a title dito sa 19 under. So no wonder Kenji Moral is the crowd favorite. Here it is on that last three-pointer rhythm tray for Chog Moral.
Yeah, you really have to pick your poison when guarding itong si Chog Moral.
Maningo sees a little gap of the defense. Floater is missed. And back comes the Boomers. Mundas trying to challenge Pino using the left hand and the layup.
Automatic, no? Mundas. Sobrang dali lang ng basketball sa kanya. Every time na may open lane, expect mo na eh.
That's a three-point shot from Gatoria. Rebound track down. Moral. Oh, what a pass! And the finish! Early highlights from Kenji Chog Moral. My goodness, coach.
What a connection by the J Project players led by this kid. Ito si Chog Moral. Again, that's Park.
Oh, that's a rejection. Mamula kang Chinton Pino. But Maningo takes it right back for Parola Panaon. One of their key big guys on the lineup for Phenom Parola. Ball deflected. Last touch by Ryzen Boholano.
Pinapadali yung trabaho natin dito, partner.
My goodness.
Hindi na natin kailangan i-hype.
Oo. Kasi nakikita natin here inside the New Cebu Coliseum as Chog Moral. Early fireworks here in this opening quarter of the finals.
Good fake.
And the
Wow.
quick drive from Gatoria using that shot fake to blue pass Chog Moral. 3-minute mark of this opening quarter. 21-15. That's Domingo. Drops it off. Pico Lots of traffic underneath. And back comes Mongcal. Misses the
man.
gimme. And back comes Mundas. And of course, shoutout natin sa ating mga live viewers. Maabot na po tayo sa 6.8 thousand live viewers sa ating YouTube channel sa Sinag Liga TV. Sa ating mga basketball fans dyan, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel sa Sinag Liga TV. 2.5 minutes remaining. Parola Panaon looks to play toe-to-toe against J Project Boomers.
Good find.
Maningo, yes!
Nice.
That's a 3.
Good effort by Mongcal dun sa paghanap kay Maningo dun sa 3-point shot.
So hindi rin magpapole ang Finom
Oo.
Parola as they want to stay close against the J Project Boomers. Sa tawan ng timeout, si Coach Phil Jimena. And here are your highlights. Look at that pass from Chok Moral to Edvil Mondas for the transition finish. That's a highlight here in the first quarter, Coach Chair. Unbelievable.
May mata sa likod ng ulo itong si Chog Moral. Maintindihan ko pa sana kung magbabounce ng ilang beses sa floor pero hindi. Talagang kinuha na lang ni Mundas doon. Slight miscommunication para sa side ng J Project and masakit yun for Coach Phil. Right after a croquis, hindi magagawa tapos turnover pa.
Oh. So, Kenji Moral still on the hard court dito sa New Cebu Coliseum as we're down to the final 2 minutes of the opening quarter. Maningo, 3 on the way. Good box out rebound. Pero naagawan, mapunta kang Maningo. Challenging the defense. Misses the putback. And there's the third opportunity for Finom Parola, left-handed. And great hustle plays na pinakita ng Finom Parola. And that's a bucket. Wala kang Troy Gatoria.
Oo, good effort by Troy Gatoria.
1-point game, Coach Chair, 21-20. Moral misses the 3. So we're down to 1 minute and 15 remaining. Here comes Finom Parola on the fast break. That's Gatoria with back-to-back buckets coming off the timeout.
Oo, Nico Mongcal hindi nagpapatalo dito. Nakikipagsabayan.
Kenji Moral wants to go up high in midair pero napayungan sa depensa ng Finom Parola Panaon.
Again, kailangan nila mag-make ng effort dito na hindi payaan itong si Chog Moral na makagawa ng mga fancy plays na yun talaga.
Moral tiptoeing the baseline.
Good
Well,
find.
What a find! Miss nga lang yung layup pero again, like yung sinabi ko, Coach Eric,
Hindi na natin
dito talaga
marinig.
marinig yung pito because of the hounding crowd. This is a capacity crowd dito sa New Cebu Coliseum.
Right. And I can say confidently na mas madami pa ngayon yung tao dito sa Cebu kaysa dun sa finals natin sa Cagayan de Oro. Grabe.
Remember, Cebu is one of the hotspots of Philippine basketball, Coach Ernest.
Oo, and we can really feel yung talagang tension dito. What's at stake. And syempre, yun nga, pag nalaman na J Project yung maglalaro, sobrang daming tao talaga.
Pero ang bilis ng pababa ng bola as Gatoria with another bucket. Excellent start here in the first quarter from Troy Gatoria.
Yan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, partner, no? Na talagang kailangan na mas mag-make ng extra effort na itong mga players ng Finom. Takbuhan nila ng takbuhan kasi medyo relax yung depensa ng J Project.
So far, Finom Parola really outpacing J Project
Yes,
here in the first
oo.
quarter. And there's a quick steal from the guys in white. Chok Moral switching hands and draws a foul.
Yeah, you have to be ready for his acrobatic skills itong si Chog Moral.
And if you recall, Coach Ernest, Chok Moral, one of the standout players during their campaign sa Gilas Pilipinas Youth doon po
Oo.
sa Siaba Tournament sa Thailand noong nakarang buwan.
I agree. Talagang sobrang laking opportunity nung mapabilang siya sa Gilas Pilipinas. Tsaka maging mapabilang dun sa sistema ng coaches ng Gilas.
So no wonder he's one of the most promising prospects right now sa youth level as Chok Moral will take a rest sa side ng J Project Boomers.
Well deserved. Sobrang ganda ng effort dito. Talking about effort, Ali Mamawag. Tinatry agad makaagaw doon. Good effort.
Back comes Mamawag! And J Project back on top by 2.
galing championship lang bata natin. Siyempre, shoutout kay Coach Jasper Magno.
That's right. Maningo misses the three. Last shot time. They gotta hurry down to 2 seconds. Domingo at the buzzer. Yeah!
Ganda nun!
Entertaining finish, Coach Air.
Ang bilis, was able to avoid his defender that's half court.
Johari Domingo beating the buzzer at the end of the first quarter. An entertaining contest, Coach Air, in the 19 under finals. Here it is.
Yeah, tsaka yung recognition na malaman na 1 second na lang, getting to the 3-point line, transition 3, perfect for Domingo.
Perfect touch with that buzzer beating triple mula kang Domingo as we wrap up this first quarter of the 19 under finals. 3 more quarters coming up mula po dito sa New Cebu Coliseum, 29-24 for the J Project Boomers.
SLA fans filled with immense happiness, excitement, and deep sense of gratitude, the Phenom Parola Panaon is ready to give their all as they enter their first SLA Junior World Case Showcase Finals. A team from the grassroots of Mindanao, they admitted they never expected to reach this championship stage. Now they consider it an absolute honor to face off against the defending champions and the powerhouse J Project Boomers. While deeply humbled by the opportunity, the Mindanao-based team has vowed to pour their hearts out on the court and do everything it takes to bring home the championship. Back to you, Coach.
Alright, maraming salamat Nika Lokias on the courtside report from Parola Panaon as they're down by 5 to start the second. Oh, look at that quickness from J Project Boomers. That's Domingo starting off the second quarter.
I wasn't familiar with this kid pero parang kailangan ko na ata mag-follow dito sa batang to.
Parang Jason Castro yung takbuhan ni Johari Domingo, Coach Air.
Clear foul, pero I agree, no? Ito talaga yung makakapag-create ng runs at saka momentum para dito sa J Project, yung mga exciting plays tulad ng ginagawa ni Domingo.
Pero hindi rin magpapauli ang Phenom Parola Panaon. They have some good players there sa lineup ni Coach Gang Lamoso.
Yeah, good job not switching on that ball screen.
Trying to go on the step back. That was a late closeout on the side of Domingo as he was called for the personal foul.
Nico Moncal, no? Sobrang talinong point guard. Can play with his back off the basket. Sobrang bilis, sobrang talino. Can facilitate as well. Siguro nasa school na to. We're not just sure kung saan.
Pero itong si Moncal, he's one of the key role players sa lineup ng Phenom Parola Panaon na it is a Cinderella run here in this 19 under finals.
Oo, hindi ko napanood yung semifinals game nila, no, pero I heard from our trusted mga friends na 20-point lead, pero natamaan nata dito si Nico.
And got shaken up there on that last play. 31-26 ating talaan. Oh, that was a missed shot there from the Boomers. And we go the other way into the hands of Gatoria. Drops it off to Moncal.
Good find.
Great court vision from Gatoria.
Good transition offense as well.
So back to a 3-point game. Tight contest here in the 19 under finals. So they're gonna utilize this half-court set. Shot clock down to 10. Domingo trying to go on the pick and roll play. Still has another opportunity. Lots of the deflections and a quick steal. 2-on-1 from Gatoria. Nice pass. And the bucket drop for Nejad Pino.
Galing ng Fino. Inuna nila sa depensa, tagging and collapsing inside the paint, kaya nahirapan sa ball screen doon. Tapos nakatakbo sila ng napaka-perfect sa transition offense nila.
That's 2 assists already for Gatoria here in the second quarter.
Corner.
Ranieses, nice flip shot from the left elbow.
Kasi Joseph, kasama na natin to sa Cagayan de Oro before.
That's
Partner, sobrang galing talaga ng player.
Oh, good box out. That's a putback from Pino Parola. That's coming from Daniel Lapera.
Di nila afford gawin yun. It will create frustrations for one another. Kailangan talaga very consistent sila sa pag-box out dito.
So this is a crucial test for J Project as they're playing without Chok Moral as he's still on the bench. Maningo tracks down the rebound. Ito Moncal swarmed by 2 defenders. And that's a backboard violation. So that's great help defense from Iliescas and Ali Mamawag.
Good effort.
Grabe yung effort this time from the J Project Boomers. Able to step up their defensive end to force that 8-second violation.
Well, yan talaga yung pinaka naging adjustment ni Coach Phil. Kita niya kasi masyado sila natatakbuhan dito. So, nag-switch sila sa man-to-man defense. Tapos, mas prinotekta nila yung transition nila doon.
Ito, offensive rebound. And good defensive stand on the interior para dito sa Pinong Parola. Gatoria with an excellent first half. Switching hands. What a move from Gatoria.
In lahat for Troy Gatoria.
Now has 8 points in the first half. Domingo's pass knocked away. But ball will stay here with the white shirts.
Yeah, may mga players talaga na nag-thrive sa mga ganong plays time, no? Yung hindi mo na kailangan kontrolin, talagang will make plays for themselves. Pero Domingo, kailangan nang baguhin yung play style niya dito. Masyado ng check yung mga pag-atake niya doon. Very unnecessary.
Babalik na po si Chok Moral and Edvin Mundas. Two of the starters in the lineup for Coach Phil Jimena. Iliescas. And rebound from Nejad Pino. Maningo dribbled off his foot. But that was deflected last touch by one of the white shirts ng J Project.
Oo, Pino, no? Na-miss ko tuloy si Alan Mangahas dito. Parang walang walang socks.
Oo. Yes, sa mga kilalang players sa Philippine basketball. That's Gatoria. Adjust. That's great defensive stand from Iliescas.
Yeah, medyo nag-alangan doon sila Troy Gatoria.
Iliescas on the left corner. Ranieses. Nice cross-court pass. Moral feed set. Three is down.
Yeah. Ako na magsasabi, partner, ever since na na-cover ko to sa Pampanga, si Chog Moral, yan yung isang bagay na nag-struggle talaga siya outside shooting. And now, dahil sa dami ng experience niya, lalo na internationally, grabe na yung in-improve ng shooting niya.
Nakita natin kanina, Coach Air, yung 3-point shootout. Maganda naman yung performance ni Chog Moral during that 3-point shootout. So nagkaroon talaga ng huge improvement on his shooting, especially from beyond the arc.
For sure.
Here it is on that last replay. Nice ball movement leading to that 3-point shot from Kenji Chog Moral.
Slight miscommunication on the defensive end para dito sa Phenom. Kailangan sa flight pa lang ng bola, gumagalaw na kayo. Limit itong si Chog Moral na makuha yung kumpiyansa niya. Pero yun nga, pinag-usapan natin kanina, partner. Si Chog Moral, very talented sa attack niya eh.
Oo.
So yun lang yung kulang niya. And now na-figure out niya na kung paano maging better outside. It will create many more opportunities for him.
I want this time to share your thoughts. Sino kaya ang maging player comparison perhaps sa pro levels itong si Chog Moral, you think, Coach?
Local or international?
Probably local is a fair comparison siguro.
Well, local, talagang sobrang dami. Pero para kasi sa akin, Ray ng Batak eh. Ray ng Batak before when I was playing. Pero tignan muna natin.
There's Manliques leaking out for the easy two.
Yan nga, pinag-usapan natin kanina, partner, no? Pag nag-commit sila ng turnover, itong Phenom talagang tinitake advantage yung takbo nila dito. Kaya nagiging close game lang eh. Now, lamang pa sila dito ng dalawa.
Nakipagsabay ngayon ng Pinong Parola sa takbuhan yung pace ng J Project Boomers, Coach Air, here in this first half.
Oo, Ray ng Batak talaga para sa akin dito si Chog Moral. Sobrang galing umatake.
Take a look at this last replay. We'll get back to that last replay as we're down to 5 minutes and 12 remaining dito sa ating first half. Entertaining contest here in the 19 under finals on this jam-packed Sunday evening dito sa New Cebu Coliseum. Mundas off the hop step. Challenging Pino.
Kita mo yun, partner? Isang naka-white lang yun nandun to get that rebound habang dalawa namang Phenom players ang nag-e-effort doon.
Oo, so good help defense on the side of Pinong Parola. So let's listen in to a courtside report from Lindsay Denison.
Thank you so much, Ray and Coach Air. Just before this game started, nakausap ko sila Chog at sabi nila na communication talaga yung naging problema nila the past few games. And ngayon, during the recent huddle before the second quarter, ayon kay Coach Phil, pag-uusap pa rin talaga yung problema nila. And dahil nga may mga experience sa itong mga players, nagkaka-tendency sila to go against each other na yun ang nagiging rason kung bakit nasisira yung laro nila. For now, moving forward, boxing out and paint defense is top priority for the J Project Boomers. Balik ko muna sa inyo, gentlemen.
Alright, maraming salamat Lindsay Denison. So the thing to watch for the J Project Boomers is yung performance at the front court. Kasi they have a lot of weapons, especially sa mga big man ni Coach Phil Jimena.
Well, normal lang naman yan, no? Sa selection team, it's bound to happen. Madaming ego dyan. Lahat yan star players sa mga sarili-sarili nilang team. So, if you wanna win a championship, you have to let go of your ego.
Alright, so
Not be prideful.
that's right. So let's give a special shout out to our friends nanonood ngayon sa BB James from Houston, from Alumna Promotions. Shout out also to TJ Aguilar, Brian Tapani ng Antonio Hills at Tropang A to Z, Canonigo Paco Manila, the Bad Boys Club, Batch 92, FCIC by Bailete, and also shout out to the Alaw family, Manarang family, Almadin family, Siscar family, and also shout out to Moore Prince Alaw ng UST Tigers at ISA. So maraming salamat. Shout out sa ating mga live viewers kasi umabot na sa 8,000 live viewers sa ating YouTube channel, Coach. My goodness, this
Yeah.
is an epic showpiece dito sa Cebu City.
Wow!
Nice stop and go. Hindi na pumasok from Iliescas.
Grabe, sobrang tight pa rin ng ball game natin dito.
That speaks to the level of competition as that three-point work won't go, but good box out from Nedja Trino. Another possession, pabandang tira, biting nga lang. And rebound tracked down by Guevara, able to locate Iliescas. Nako, nawala ng control ng bola off the fast break.
Sayang, no? The ball should be on Chog Moral sa mga ganun situation kasi he's very talented in reading yung mga open lanes, eh.
So that speaks to some sort of unfamiliarity.
Yes, oo naman. Selection team, eh. Hindi pa masyado matatagal magkakasama yung mga yan. Magkakakilala lang.
They're trying to take their time to gel as a unit, especially in this epic battle in this finals.
Pero yun yung problem, brother. Ito mga players na to, wala nang choice. No foul.
Chog Moral thought there was a foul there underneath, and we go the other way. That was a bad pass from Finong Parola Panaon.
Yeah, wala nang choice itong mga players ng J Project but to play and compete.
And
Okay na.
there it is. On the sidelines, we have Boss Vicente Linogon Jr. from J Project. We also have Dan Eugenio from Player Spotted. And of course, SLA President Boss Ray Alaw. Yan.
Mga idol natin.
Mga Lodi. Kumbaga. And of course, si Chairman Rocky Chan ng SLA also watching this evening dito po sa New to Cebu Coliseum. That's Ayorango way off from 3. And there's a little bit of physicality there underneath as we're down to the 2:37 mark in the second quarter. So medyo bumagal na yung pace sa ating second quarter, Coach Chair.
Oo, yan kasi talaga yung pinaka-importante dito, eh. Babagalan nila yung laro to prevent any good actions coming from J Project. At the same time, target basketball na to, matatanda na tong mga to, eh. So they need to figure out yung mga mismatches, kung saan sila masyadong malakas, dun sila magsistick.
And there's another whistle as we're down to 2:20 remaining. So that foul was called against Edwin Bundas. Penalty na po ang J Project Boomers. They're now over the limit. So 2 free throws coming up para dito kang number 19, that's Reynan Abalye. And the SLA Junior World Showcase 2026 would like to thank Kibo Link, your link to world-class entertainment, the Department of Tourism, J Project Clothing Shop, Freshco Cebu Brand, JDB at ng Legend Spot by J Project. So second one is missed, but another offensive rebound. Ball knocked loose. And we will have a stoppage to play as we're down to 2:14 remaining dito sa ating first half. We have a timeout on the board from Finong Parola Panaon. So we'll be right back after this timeout. And And there's our good friends from the Sinag Liga Asia. There's Chairman Rocky Chan. There's SLA President Boss Ray Alao. There's Boss Jun Ninogon from J Project. And of course, our good friend Coach Alvin Tanyada. Coach Air. So shoutout natin sa ating mga kaibigan from the admin ng Sinag Liga Asia. Down to 7 on the shot clock. Under 7, 2 minutes remaining. That three-pointer, that won't go. Rebound tracked down by AJ Arango. Here comes Chog Moral on the fast break. Wants to lead away. Step back three of the crossover. Tapos nga lang. Would have given the lead for the J Project Boomers. And we go the other way. Oh, that's a great challenge from Guevara. But the black shirts of Pino Parola still has it. 3-point shot from top of the key. Medyo malakas. Manliques with another offensive rebound. New possession for Pino Parola. And that was knocked away. Back comes Domingo. That's a 2-on-3. And back comes Chog Moral. What a pass! Manliques with the finish.
Sabi ko sa'yo, partner, pag open transition talaga dapat binibigay kay Chog Moral yung bola eh. Alam na alam niya kung sino yung hahanapin, kung paano ma-force yung depensa na sa kanya mag-focus.
Ito si Chog Moral, he is one step ahead of everybody, coach.
Totoo, sobrang talinong player na.
He's gonna be something special for sure in the future. Itong si Chog Moral. No wonder he's one of the standout prospects right now at the grassroots level. They're down to 43 seconds remaining in this exciting second quarter.
Right, so for sure, very happy. Itong si Coach Juno Sauler ng Gilas, no? Pinayagan, and madami siyang matututunan dito, no?
And of course, one of the best young youth basketball coaches. Yan si Coach Juno Sauler.
For sure, a big fan of how that coach works. Talagang alam na alam niya yung talagang sobrang galing niya in terms of stats.
That's right. We're down to 30 seconds remaining. Let's see if they want to go for a 2-for-1 opportunity. Moral taking his time, switching to the left. And he gets it to go.
Sobrang relaxed lang, no? Right after that crossover, nakita niya, medyo ika-cut off siya sa ere going right. Switch agad sa kaliwang kamay.
Great adjustment in midair from Chog Moral. A little bit over dribbling there on the side of Pino. Down to 5 seconds. Domingo struggling, puts it up, blocked by Pino. With 2.6 to go in the second quarter.
Medyo hindi maganda yung spacing nila doon. Pero again, Domingo, masyadong gigil, makatira dito.
There it is on this last replay. Look at that move from Chog Moral on this move of the game from Winzen Cafe. Final shot here, and there goes the buzzer. Dito sa loob ng New Cebu Coliseum. So what can you say about the first half, Coach here, between J Project at ng Pinong Parola?
Expect na natin sobrang magiging mataas na matchup to. Yung energy, talagang feel natin.
As we take a look at our highlights throughout the first half, J Project Boomers, they have been good as advertised throughout the first half. Plenty of weapons on the lineup for Coach Phil Jimena, pero hindi rin magpapuli ang Pinong Parola Panaon. They have some good quality talent on the lineup from Pinong Parola Panaon. So first half complete dito sa ating 19 under finals of the SLA Junior World Showcase. 2 more quarters coming up dito sa loob ng New Cebu Coliseum as we're now at halftime. It's J Project Boomers still ahead by 3, 44-41. Eric Quintana, as we're now at halftime, it's 44-41, still in favor of the J Project Boomers. So you're still watching the SLA Junior World Showcase, 19 under finals. Let's just take a look at our first half highlights. Once again, ako po si Ray Alonsaday, kasama ko po si Coach Ernest Ala, alongside our courtside reporters, Nika Loquias from Finom, Parola Panaon, and Lindsay Denison, siya mag-uulat on the side of the J Project Boomers.
Yeah, it's been teamwork against teamwork dito. No, very happy tayo na wala masyadong nagsasarili. Talagang lahat ng effort nila made by talagang sila lahat nagtutulungan. So napakaganda makita dito yung mga stats natin as we talk about this. Makikita natin field goal percentage ng Phenom 68%. 48 naman para sa J Project Boomers. Rebounding department close lang 15-14. Assists 4 para sa Phenom, 3 for J Project, pero mataas dito ang turnovers ng Phenom. They have 10 habang ang J Project naman they only have 8.
because of the excellent defensive sets na pinakita ng J Project Boomers. Chog Moral leading the way para dito sa J Project Boomers with 14 points. Samantala, Gatoria leading the way. Solid first half for him with 8 points.
Yeah, actually yan yung pag-uusapan natin dito, partner, no? Itong mga players ng both teams talagang collective effort. Lahat sila nakakapagbigay ng magandang contribution sa offense nila. Kaya sobrang hirap talaga magdepensahan dito.
Moral misses the three-pointer. Rebound tracked down and looks like bola mapunta sa Finom Parola Panaon as we begin this third quarter.
Good exit screen action kaso masyadong nadepensahan. Ito si Chog Moral doon.
So we begin the second half as the SLA Junior World Showcase 2026 would like to thank Senator Bongo, the City Government of Cebu, the Philippine Sports Commission, PTV Sports Network, Sunsport, Treewood Residences by Alicia Apartel, Unisol Uniforms On Demand, Converge FiberX, at ng Winzen Cafe. Oh, nice spin, and the bucket goes!
Gandang move nun para kay Guevara, pero pag-usapan pa natin yung ibang stats dito, partner. Pareho lang na malapit yung rebounds nila, no? Pero dito sa Finom Parola, 7 yung offensive rebounds nila doon sa 14 na yon.
Oo. So halos gusto nila makipagsabayan itong Finom Parola against J Project Boomers on this matchup. Drop-off pass, Domingo, the kick out to Guevara. Nice court spacing on the side of the Boomers. Bok Boholano hits the three.
Very important na makashoot itong si Boholano sa labas kasi it will open up a lot of space para makadrive sila na makadrive dito.
And a good start for the Boomers in the third. That's a nice scoop shot in traffic. And that's coming from Nico Moncal.
Oh, ito si Nico Moncal, talagang very aggressive dun sa pag-atake.
Moncal now has 8 points. Moral for the answer. The tip is good. Mula kang Iliescas.
And yun lang naman yung importante. Talagang kailangan ready ka to help your teammates. Ito si Iliascas, very attentive dun sa nangyari. Nag-miss man yung magandang action ni Chog Moral dun, pero andun siya for the second opportunity.
Itong si Iliescas, he's a reliable presence at the front court, especially in the shaded area, co-chair.
Oo, tsaka sa depensa, no? Talagang pinapahirapan niya yung mga players ng Finom.
Providing that much-needed defensive help on the other side. That three is missed, and here comes the fast break. Domingo, no-look dish to Moral for two. What a showcase tonight for Chog Moral, co-chair.
Yeah, sobrang hirap ma-identify kung sino yung pipigilan mo. Even si Domingo, sobrang lakas dun sa transition.
Walo na po ang abante ng J Project Boomers, 53-45. And there's a foul from behind as Iliescas once trying to block that shot. Where there was some contact spotted by one of the referees. As we take a look at this beautiful fast break, Domingo, nice ball fake, great hesitation, and that nice dish to Chog Moral for the deuce.
Parang balance lang si Chog dun no?
Oo.
Tititigan ka pero tatayo ka din.
This guy is really promising, one of the promising prospects in Philippine basketball.
I agree. Talagang sobrang exciting pagpasok nito ng college.
Ano kaya maibubuga sa next level, especially in collegiate basketball, co-chair?
Oo.
I can't wait to see him at the next level, itong si Chog Moral.
Kung ako sa kanya, mag-UST na lang siya Samahan niya si Murdun
Pwede, ano?
Bagay sila
And here comes Chog Moral! Woo! Nako! A little bit too much sauce there, but a quick swipe. That's Domingo. All alone for the easy finish. So nakabawi naman si Domingo off the missed layup attempt from Chog Moral, co-chair.
Technical para dito kay Chog, but great effort na kahit nagmintis siya doon, hinabol niya yung naka-rebound, allowing ito si Domingo na makakuha ng another opportunity doon.
So a little bit of emotions pinalabas from Chog Moral kaya natawagin siya ng technical foul. He apologized to his teammates here in the New Cebu Coliseum.
Oo, kasi risky yun At the same time, masyadong malapit at intense itong laro na to para i-allow itong mga players ng Phenom or yung kalaban mo na makakuha ng mga free throw opportunities.
So if you're Chog Moral, remember he was called for the technical foul. He has to make sure na yung emotions niya
Yes.
is in check. He is the most reliable scorer on the lineup for Coach Phil Jimena.
Oo, and they can't afford na mangyari yung kay Jacob Cortez kanina sa game namin, no?
Oo.
Pinaka-reliable na point guard ang agang natanggal. Mas nadagdagan yung chances namin of winning the championship.
12 seconds on the shot clock. Great stop from the Guevara as he knocked the ball away.
Good collapse by Guevara.
Back comes Mundas. Now here comes Chog Moral, the main facilitator on this offense. Surveys the court, finds Guevara for three. Races a front iron and rebound.